चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्याये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
This is very because I believe that all these religions are made for man. Not God is not simply created alone. He created man. He is man as man. Once a father and son were traveling through a forest on a donkey, sitting on a donkey. Someone was coming opposite direction. And that man told, oh, you two people so heavy fellows, and you are sitting on a donkey, and it is a mukha prani, it doesn't speak, it just leaves. See its eyes. See its eyes, it's weeping. So, what should I do? Asked the father and son. They asked, what should I do? You get down, you are very heavy. Oh father, you get down, let the son who is young, let him travel on a donkey. Then they were going through the forest, sitting on the donkey was the son, and traveling with him was the father. Another stranger came in front of them. Why, young man, you are traveling and your father who is very well, why you should walk? Ask him to say, you get down and walk. Then son thought that yes, I am quite there, I should get down and let my father travel on the donkey. So he got down. Father was sitting on the donkey, they both were going. Then another stranger came. Then he told that, why should you sit on this donkey? Donkey cannot express its problems and it suffers feelings. So please get on. Then what should I do? Asked the father. See, you both are very strong. You don't look, inferior or infirm or suffering from any disease. So you have to carry this donkey. You should not allow this donkey to walk. It has walked enough. So thinking that it is the right decision, the father and mother, son took the donkey on their heads. The hind legs were carried by someone, the front legs were carried by someone, the father and son. They both were walking till the end of the forest. Towards the end of the forest, they met a sannyasi. And he told that, why are you carrying this donkey? It is so different. Why do you do it? No, it doesn't speak, it suffered a lot because we are sitting. So there is no other road. We are not serving the donkey. Then the sannyasi told, donkey is meant for taking the load. It's not that and carry it till the end of the forest. It will reach you to the other side. Then they reached safely. These both were sitting on the donkey. They went to the end of the forest. They reached their home, destination. This is what has happened to your life. God has sent you with a very good donkey called life. And he has sent you ego and all your antakarana, body, etc. as the son. Both of you should sit on the donkey and walk the path of life. The father is the nimitta, the ego. And the son is the antakarana plus indriyas. Instead of carrying the donkey, we are carrying the life on our head. Why do we do it? So the life should not be carried on our head. It should be traversed. So when you are talking about all this yaga, whether it is yaga, yajna or homa, it's a very famous debate nowadays. Why do you call it yaga? There should be a bali of something, animal. Why you call it as a yaga? It should be a homa. People tell me. Then yaga ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಯಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಮೃಗದಲ್ಲಿ. And someone is calling the Vedanta, all those things as jnana yajna. It's actually not an yajna. Jnana itself has become an yajna. Like that, yaga is also like yajna kalpetam. We are talking, when we are reciting this Yajurveda mantra, we had come. Pranam yajna kalpetam. All these things are imagined and they are all yajna only. All these vayus, all these indriyas, all our yajaman, all these things are yajna only. Whole life is yajna. So, when you are talking about yajna like that, yaga itself is like that. What is the animal? The animal nature in us should be sacrificed, not an animal actual. And what we do as animalistic sacrifice is usually a goat. So that is a very, very sadhu prani. It's a very sadhu prani. But all it cries me. So that is what we are doing in this life. The chamakam is full of me only. And even if you go to God, what you are asking, Ayudehi, Dharandehi, Vichandehi, Samasta Ilandehi, me, Parameshwari. And you can't go on asking like this. She has provided enough, he has provided enough, and you have to live with it, you have to transcend it. Not, you should not go on asking more. It happens. So what you should sacrifice is the main nature in you, the mamakara, the ahankara. So that is what is the Rudra Trishuli Yaga was trying to tell you today. So the 10 Indriyas are Indra. The Adipati of Indra is Rudra. Rudra is Ekadasha. The 11th Indriya is called mind. Ekadasha. Another Indriya is called mind. So if it becomes Rudra, you are turning towards God. If it becomes Indriya, you are turning towards Indra, you are turning towards world. The Indriya, Manava Manushya, when we are talking, This mind is the key for your materialism or meeting with God, your date with God. Today at least you take it, Valentine's Day. The whole world is proposing to one or another. Each one is sharing love. So what don't you do? You propose to God, who has created you, who is waiting for you. Date with Him today, from now onwards. Ultimately, why do you propose? To get love. God is the only form of love. ಇವತ್ತರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. So when we are telling that this many times we do the puja throughout the night and it's called Shivaratri day. And it falls on the Chaturdashi day, the 14th. So this is, there will be only a little of moon on the sky today. It denotes your Ekavata Chitta. You should be one-pointed towards God. Your mind should be one-pointed. You should design only for that. Tomorrow there will be ManavaSevaKendra, that means no moon day. You will have no mind. So instead of becoming lunatics who change during full moon and new moon, all of us are lunatics in one way or another because there is no linear programming for trying to tell that who is sane or who is insane. Shiva is called Pashupati. And he binds people with the passion, Mohamaya. So, when we are talking that Pashu, Brahmins, these two only are existing in this universe. I was trying to tell you that also, Go Brahmana. Only two are there in the whole world. One who is bound by passion is called Go. One who is trying to achieve Brahman or achieve God or one who has become Brahman is Brahmana. So these two should exist, coexist, both Brahmana and Hikayata. It should be very well looked after so that the whole world lives in harmony. So these two cannot be negated. People will tell, if you become totally oriented towards God, you will leave all your duties, you will leave business, you will leave job. Why should you do it? It's your not handiwork, it's work of your head. So I am trying to tell you that only Jnanis or Brahmajnanis or one who has realized Brahman, they are living. All others, however rich they may be, however big Matajipadis they may be, however religious sects they may be, they are thinking how to live. They are not living. They are thinking how to live. They are not living. So if you ask someone who is having a big ashram, you will say that I am spreading Sampradaya. I am thinking about spreading the Sampradaya to all. All should be cultured. So, religious and materialistic life is only lived by everyone, not the life which is desired by God. ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಜನರು ಬಾಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ವಿನಃ ಭಗವಂತನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬಾಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So, everybody thinks that I have killed someone, they have branded me as a murderer, so I have to live as a murderer. Why should they? Let them go to some other friendly state and let them start reliving. Why should they live as murderers? Someone who has murdered someone. He has come out of the jail and he says that I am branded as a murderer. So I can never evolve into God. Why should they do it? Let them change their days and become good and let them serve the people, let them work towards God. Similarly, all these people who are following up to today, whatever their state of discipline is, let them be far. From now onwards you think that why don't I get fulfilled? In what I should get fulfilled? To what I should work in my life? None of you are sinners. When you are thinking that you are sinners, you are bound by a discipline. So the Prarabdha and Sanchita Karma will never leave you, but don't bother. Try to evolve and transcend into God. Try to know who is God. Try to know who you are. As silence, Maunavagi. ಮೌನವಾಗಿರುವಾಗ ಅದು ಅಪರೋಕ್ಷ, ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಐ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಆತ್ಮ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೇದಾಂತ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಹೂ ಯು ಆರ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೀ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ someone, who are you? They will tell that I am an officer in such and such bank. I am a businessman. I am so and so, etc. But that is your profession. I am not asking that. Who are you? Then you will tell that I am Padma, I am Surya, I am Shakti. But once again, that is your body or your name. Are you there? Then you may tell that I am short, I am tall, I am rich, I am poor. All those things are also not related to you. Then I am thinking about this. So I am that, I am that, I am that. That thinking also is a process only. It will be going on changing. Even that thinking is not you. Then you will come to say that yes, this I which expresses as thinking, which expresses in the world outside as body, is me. This I is me. Even that is not you. And like that you dissect this world. Suppose all these lights are out, only darkness exists. Then tomorrow sun and moon are not going to come. Once again, the entire cosmos will be darkened. So that is called the Adi Maya, Adi Prasha. That darkness is within you also. But that darkness is recognized by some intelligence, some awareness. That awareness is Atman. So try to know this. This is very important for all your life. Otherwise, all your life will be waste. It's better to live life in the jungles, in the forest, anywhere. But try to know this fundamental truth. Otherwise, the life is, you are not existing as far as God is concerned. All people are created only to know who is God. He wants you to be back with Him. In the meantime, He has given you enough number of years to pass all your ashas. So when you are young, you don't know anything. You are not mature. And when you are full of energy, that you don't want to know who are you. And when you become very old also, you are so connected with the world, you don't want to know who are you. So right now you start, today you start, who are you, who are you, who are you. Try to know it and you will end up that you are Shiva, you are auspicious, in totality. So try to know this truth from today. And let us all be blessed with this Atma. Oh